是毒豆 fusion
人这个
resistant。
可以调一下一会儿。
可
以，我不跟你说了，一会儿调，你弄完这给你调的。
贴什么东西调一下？
待会给你调一下空调。
为什么？
他一直在吹。
哦，我刚才没反应过来，哎，看那是呢，我在想是一个什么面儿想空调。完蛋，怎么办？
你再装，我就告诉高姐，哎，高姐明天得收拾。
你先放着好。
高姐今天是下达命令。
Introduction.
风小了吧？行吧。
Q loading， 哎呀，这一页全是你的，这没我事。
打了这么多。
我把这调大了是吧？对，要不我看不清。
可以。
你看这样我就不用离那么近了，我上次觉得我很拘谨，离得很近。那当然啦。
我也标音标，你怎么没夸过我？
我没夸。
哎，今天就是直播完，利用它完以后，咱俩就把它关在小屋，然后哐哐咱俩一顿揍。
可以。
他这小身板我估计应该扛不住。
为什么打我？我没有。
因为你坏。呀。好，57。
哟，很快到了，我还没标完。
我都不认识
你不需要音标，
手机
静
音了嘛？那往里登着账号哈，到时候分平台。
怎么分啊？是谁看哪一个？
他看那2个。
他一个人看2个。
不，他看大连续。
哦，那我就随便看一个就行了。
对，但是你不是有日纲和唐鲁吗？如果有巡盘的话，日纲唐鲁就分给你，大连续我就分给他。他登了我的连续号。
你分给我，然后我在那个介绍着，我感觉我可能应接不暇。
不，他介绍等到你回客户的时候，就让张子贤读。
你别读着我的，你读就跳着你的读，你跳着读，我的都是简单的。
我不懂这个。
可以。
不懂
这个。我也可以说，那我先介绍一下哪个部分，然后你念完了以后，你说我来继续介绍哪一部分就行。
还有2分钟，你登上了是吗？
什么？
账号大连续。
哦。
我在看什么头像，还是我头像嘞？想往后边走，这样显我脸小一些。
可以。只要不出镜就行，可以往后走。
我老感觉张森照不着你呢，能照着你吗？
能吧。
你往中间挪挪。
我感觉他已经飞
着出边了。
这是。
哦，这是个铜管。
铜管，我不会说。
这个一会儿不用，这是上午时候忘拿去了，这个不用。
我有点紧张哎。
大可不必，这底下都是萝卜白菜。
笑一笑吧。
深呼吸。深呼吸。是不是可以开始了？
开始了。
Hello everyone, welcome to our live streaming. This is Jonathan. This lovely lady sitting next to me is my partner Elena. Now please let my partner to introduce herself.
Hello everyone, this is Elena from China. I'm very glad we meet here and welcome to my studio. First, let's have a look at our company. Our company is a professional steel supplier from China. We supply various kinds of steel profiles, steel section and the stainless steel products. We can provide customer service, competitive price, good quality control, and purchase advice. Sincerely, we invite domestic and foreign merchants to visit. Now let my partner Johnson to tell you about the stainless steel products that we are going to be talking about.
Okay, thank you for your introduction. Before we start, I would like to say if you are interested in our live streaming, you can click the following button and you will see us next time. And now you have a general information about our company. Let's take a look about the products we are going to show you today. Today we would like to show you some products of our company, which is stainless steel products. Firstly, I would like to start with some general information about the stainless steel. Stainless steel is widely used because of its corrosion and heat resistance, high temperature oxidation resistance, its polishing, weldable, and foldable. That makes it a desirable material in many industries, such as food industries, car industries, artificial industries, and so on. About the material, according to the composition, it can be divided into 5 series. It's 400 series, 400 series, 300 series, 200 series, 500 series, and 600 series. There are some common grades in this series, which is 201, 304, and 316, and so on. So firstly, I would like to introduce the 201. The 201 shows poor corrosion resistance, and it's widely used as a cheap substitute for 300 series in China with characteristics of polishing, no bubbles and no pinholes. It is high quality material for the production of various watch cases and strap bottom covers. And of course, the price of the 201 is not high. So if your budget is not enough, maybe the 201 is a good choice for you. So the next one is 304. 304 is most commonly used products such as corrosion-resistant containers, high medical equipment, tableware, furniture, and railings. The standard composition is 18% chromium plus 8% nickel. And after 304, it's second most widely used steel type, which is mainly used in the food industry and surgical equipment. Adding some elements to make it have a special structure resistant to corrosion. Because it has better resistance to chloride than 304, it is also used as a marine steel. And next one is the 400 series. The 400 stainless steel is ferritic and magnetic stainless steel. It has no magnets. It can replace the 304 stainless steel to a certain extent. And the last one is 430. The 430 is also ferritic stainless steel. It's good for decoration like cars. It has good mobility, but it shows poor temperature resistance and corrosion resistance. So these are some common grades in the stainless steel. Okay, now let my partner Alina to introduce the surface treatment for you.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Surface treatment has 4 types. 2B, the first one, matte surface is the matte finish of the stainless steel cold rolled surface. After cold rolling, it is heat treated, pickled, and finished by rolling to make the surface more moderately bright, commonly used for tableware, building material, and art. with surface treatment and improve mechanical and properties. They are suitable for almost all applications. Yeah. The next one is BA. We can find simple to show to our friends.
Yes.
BA then.
Like this pipe.
Yeah.
This pipe, the surface of this pipe is BA surface, which means bright surface. As you can see, the surface of the pipe is very bright and is also very smooth. It also has a good reflectability.
Yeah, BA is a product obtained by cold rolling and brightening followed by flattening, excellent surface gloss and high reflectory. Like the surface of mirror for home appliance mirrors, kitchen equipment and decorative material set. The next one is 8K.
Yes.
8K even brighter surface like mirror.
Yes, it is
we can show
even
it.
brighter than the mirror.
Yeah.
As you can see, this surface is much more brighter than the mirror, and as you can see, it also shows it shows much better reflectability than the B surface. We can take a look at the differences between these surfaces. And these surfaces, you can hardly find your face on the surface, but about the 8K surface, you can see your face on the surface clearly. Yes.
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 Do you see yourself?
Yes, I can see myself clearly.
Yeah. A
It's
handsome boy. Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, the next one is HL cool rolling. Packing, leveling, grinding is in SS surface drawing and straight drawing mat. Mainly used for architectural direction, elevators, building doors, and so on. Yeah. The next one is specification. For stainless steel products, we have a wide range including coil, sheet, plate, stream, pipe, bar, and angle. Yeah. We have all the specification you can find on the market. Everything can be customized, and including the length, width, diameter, thickness, and all the surface tension. Yeah. Let my partner Johnson to introduce our corrosion resistance.
Okay, thank you. And before we start, I would like to show the surface that you mentioned before is the HL surface, which means the hairline surface. And as you can see, the surface of this simple is hairline surface. You can see the surface just like the hairline, one by one, on the surface. And it's also a good choice for you to do some decorations for your buildings or your house. I think it's very suitable for the decoration.
Yeah, it's widely used in our life.
Yes.
It's cheaper or expensive than to be.
It's more expensive than the 2B surface.
Yeah.
Because the cost of the production is much more than the 2B surface.
Okay, I see.
Okay, if you like our live streaming, you can click the following button, and we will see you next time. And hope we can bring you more good products of our company. And as I mentioned, we are a professional steel supplier, and not only we can provide stainless steel products, but also we can provide the steel sections, steel coils, and the color code sheets, of course. And if you have any inquiries, just let us know and send it to us, and we will help you with our rich experiences. Also, if you are interested in our products or our company, you can click the catalog button, and you will get our company's catalog. It has our products and some company information on it. Okay, back to the topic.
Yeah.
I would like to see the corrosion resistance of the stainless steel. Unlike the carbon steel, stainless steel do not suffer uniform corrosion when exposed to wet environments. Unprotected carbon steel rots readily when exposed to the combination of the air and moisture. The resulting iron oxide surface layer is porous and fragile. In addition, as iron oxide occupies a larger volume than the original steel, this layer expands and tends to flake and fall away, exposing the underlying steel to further attack. In comparison, stainless steel contains sufficient chromium to undergo passivation, forming a thin insert surface form of chromium oxide by reaction with oxygen in the air and even a small amount of dissolved oxygen in the water. The passive film prevents further corrosion by blocking oxygen diffusion to the steel surface and thus prevents corrosion from the spreading into the bulk of the metal. This film is self-repairing, even when scratched or temporarily disturbed by an upset condition in the environment that exceeds the inherent corrosion resistance of that grade. The resistance of this film to corrosion depends upon the chemical composition of the stainless steel, chiefly the chromium. It's customary to distinguish between four forms of the corrosion: uniform, plating, galvanic, and stress corrosion cracking. Any of these forms of corrosion can occur when the grade of the stainless steel is not suitable for the working environment. Okay, that's the corrosion resistance of the stainless steel. Hope you have general information of the stainless steel. Now, Alina, please introduce the next part to our friends, will you?
Okay, it's my pleasure. Introduction to stainless steel plate and sheet as type and coil. A stainless steel sheet plate is a typical sheet metal formed by an industrial process into thin and flat pieces. They are widely used in building construction and medical table, direction and home appliance, automobile and air conditioning system act. In fact, the terms sheet and plate is confusing.
Wait a second, please. I hate to bother, but I have to answer the question for our friends.
Yeah.
Our friends asked about the discount and the price of our products. Thanks for your question. If you are interested in our products and interested in the price and discount about our products, you can send the inquiry to us, and our customer service will help you with that question. And the price and the discount according to the quantity you need. If the quantity you need is large, and we would like to give you a very favorable price and discount,
yeah,
and you will never regret.
Yeah, we have decades years for steel product exporting experience. We can supply the best price and good quality.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you for your patience. Now go ahead, please.
Yeah. Okay, the term sheet and plate are confusing. Both of them are flat-rolled material products of some material thickness and width, are greatly dependent on the type of metal. The thickness of stainless steel plate commonly equal to or larger than 5 mm with weight larger than 250 mm. A stainless steel sheet has a thickness under 5 mm, while its width is equal to or larger than 600 mm. The flat piece with thickness under 5 mm, while its width is under 600 mm, is considered as stainless steel chip, and the stainless steel sheet can be supplied in flat pieces or coil types. The stainless steel coils are formed by rolling a continuous stainless steel sheet or strip through a roll slater. A stainless steel sheet processes unturn the surface appearance and the corrosion resistance as its main advantages. It can be wired and cut without damaging its corrosion resistance. Compared with galvanized steel sheet, stainless steel sheet is very tough, but it can still be really worked in sheet metal workshop. Yeah. Let my partner Johnson to introduce the fabrication process of stainless steel sheet.
Okay. Okay, now I would like to bring you some general information about the fabric process of the stainless steel sheet, plate, or the strip. And nowadays there are two major ways to produce the stainless steel sheet or stainless steel plate, which is hot rolling and cold rolling. The hot rolling process for stainless steel is the raw material is first tipped into the EF, which means the electric arc furnace. The heat generated by arc current melts the steel prep inside. During the process, chromium and nickel metals are also added. The molten steel is poured to the ladle. Then it is transferred to the AOD converter to reduce the carbon content. During and after the carbon removal, some other necessary alloy additions are made to fine-tune the stainless steel chemical composition. Finally, the molten steel is poured into the modern continuous casting machine, where it is cooled down by water spray and the stainless steel becomes solidified slabs. As semi-finished products, stainless steel slabs should be discolored first and then be heated in the reheating furnace until they are red hot, which is around 1200 degrees. The roofing stand is the first step of the hot rolling, where the hot slabs are rolled forwards and backwards several times to gradually form a basic shape of the finished flat pieces. After leaving the roofing stand, the slabs are passed through the finishing stand, which is also known as stucco mill. Except for the backwards and forwards rolling, it turns to slab 19 degrees and rolls sideways during the process. The stucco mill is a reversing mill with a heating furnace and others. Final sinker stainless steel plates will be pinceled, straightened, and packaged. Stainless steel coils can be acquired after the much thinner sheet running through the rolling slater. Features of the hot rolled stainless steel. The first one is a hot rolled stainless steel plate. Hardness is low and it's easy to process, and it has a good ductility. And the next feature is that the hot rolled stainless steel plate strength is relatively low, and the surface quality is almost low finished, but it's generally medium thick plate. And cold rolled plate, it has high strength and high hardness, and it also has high surface finish. It's generally thin plate. It can be used as a stepping plate. As my partner introduced, the hot roll is generally the sink plate, and the cold roll plate is generally the thin plate. Yes. And the last one is that the hot roll stainless steel plate is mechanical properties are far less than the cold processing. Also inferior to forging processing, but has better toughness and ductilities. And that's the general information about the hot rolling and cold rolling process of the stainless steel.
Yeah.
And thanks for your likes and followings. Thank you for your likes and followings. If you are interested in our products and live streaming, you can click the following button. And next time we can bring you more good products of our company. Maybe next time is steel sections and steel and other color coded sheets like these products. Yes.
Yes.
And yes, and now please let my partner Alina to introduce the cold rolling process of the stainless steel.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Cold rolling process for stainless steel sheet or coil. Generally, the raw material of cold rolling is not rolled stainless steel coil. The hot rolled stainless steel coil should be first decoiled, peeled, and descaled for the preparation of following producers. Then it is fed to famous mills for cold rolling. In this step, the stainless steel sheet passes through a series of rolling mill stands which squeeze the sheet to reduce its thickness in the cold state. Cold rolling causes hardening of the stainless steel, so a subsequent cold annealing and paneling process is required to soften it. Following grading and polishing jobs are to improve the surface quality of the sheet. Finally, cold rolled stainless steel sheet or strip runs through the slater line forming coils, which will be carefully inspected, marked, packaged, and snowed. Yeah. Cold rolling is to further thin number one steel plate to the target thickness at room temperature, compared with hot rolled steel plate. Cold rolled steel plate thickness is more architectural and the surface is more smooth, beautiful, but also has a variety of superior mechanical properties, especially machining performance. Because the cold rolled original coil is brighter and hard, it is not suitable for processing, so the cold rolled steel plate is usually handed to the customer after annealing, pickling, and surface leveling. The maximum thickness of cold rolling is 0.1 to 8 mm below. Such as most of the factory cold rolling steel plate thickness is below 4.5 mm. The minimum thickness and width are determined by the equipment capacity of each plant and the market demand. Okay, we can show our sample to our friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we would like to show some samples to our friends, and first I would like to...
Different grade?
Yes, of course, different grade. First, we can go ahead with 201 surface. Oh, wait, no, sorry, 201 stainless steel.
201?
Yes, 201. This is
wow.
201, and it's
heavy.
Yes, it's heavy and it's kind of big. Yes. And let's take a look. It's welded pipe or seamless pipe.
Welded pipe.
It seems like a seamless pipe.
Yeah, it's seamless pipe, I think.
Yes, and as you can see, the surface of the stainless steel is very bright and smooth, and it has great reflectability. Reflectability, yes, and
it widely used in our life.
yes, and because it has such a bright and smooth surface, so it's very easy to put your fingerprint on it. Yes, but that's okay. It's also very easy to clean. Just take a tissue and wipe it, and that will be okay.
Yeah, if you have a small budget, 201 is a good choice for you for the economic view.
Yes, because its price is not expensive.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to replace the material, and the 201 would be a great choice. And
the next one.
The next one I would like to show you the 304.
304.
Yeah, 304. And as you can see, it has a surface on it, which is #1 surface. Yes. It doesn't.
Doesn't bright.
Yes, it doesn't bright, which means it doesn't shows much more reflectivity, and I cannot see my face on it. I cannot see my face on it.
It's to be surface.
It's #1.
#1, yeah. Oh, I see.
It's #1 surface, and it's not bright and it's not smooth, right?
But 304 is widely used in our life and for industrial building and so on.
Yes.
Yeah. I have a bottle.
Where?
Down yeah. Oh.
So, what's the grade of the?
Maybe 304 or 316. I don't know.
Yes, I think this part, I think this might be the 316.
Yeah.
Yes, I think because 316 has better features in the food industries, so I think 316 will be the suitable stainless steel material for the bottles or the other food industries, like dishes, you know the plant or the cup.
Yeah, it's also 304.
Okay, this is 304, and this is a spoon, and it's very generally used in our Chinese kitchen, and it's very useful. As you can see, it has lots of holes on it. It has lots of holes on it, and if you want to take something in the pot, but you don't want to take the liquid, and this spoon is definitely a good choice, because the liquid will fall through these holes and only remain the food you want on the spoon. Yes, and I think this is very, and also this is a very good stainless steel. As you can see, this spoon, it must has many chances to touch with the water, and now, as you can see, it hardly has, or we can see it doesn't have any corrosion on the surface. You cannot find any corrosion on the surface. Yes. So, which means it's real stainless steel.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's used about 3 years.
3.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So.
3 years. Oh, 3 years. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So.
It be used by 3 years, and you cannot. You can hardly find the corrosion on it. It's still clean.
Yeah.
On the
Good
surface.
quality for 304.
Yes, it's still bright and smooth.
And then a friend asked for the MOQ.
Okay.
MOQ 110. Yeah.
Yes. About our stainless steel products, our minimum of quantity is 1 ton. And if you would like to order more, we can give you a discount and a favorable price according to your quantity you need.
Yeah.
If you are interested in our products, just send the inquiry to us, and you can click the shopping cart button and put it to your shopping cart, and you will never regret. You will never regret. Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for the spoon.
Okay.
Next one is why?
Let's show the book to our friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here we have simple books. Simple book. Here we have a simple book, and it has many symbols in this book, and different colors, different surfaces. And now let's take a look of our samples.
Okay, there are many colors in our simple books. And which one do you like, Johnson?
I think I like okay, if I have to make a decision, I prefer to this one.
Which color?
This one.
I like it too.
Yes, this purple. This purple I think is a very unique color, and I think it would be a very excellent choice for me to decorate my house on the wall or behind the TV.
Yeah.
You know, the wall behind the TV, I think.
Television wall?
Yes, I think it is very suitable for mine.
Yeah.
And as you can see, there are lots of colors and surface here, and we have the gold color, and I think this one is just this one. This color is like the Cooper. Yes, this one.
Oh.
This one is the Cooper pipe. And as you can see, the color is just like this one.
You know, it's old class?
Yes, it looks like the old class. It's very, it has a very classical sense.
Do you like red?
Red, kind of, not very much.
Do you like green?
Sorry?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
No, I don't like green at all.
I think green stands for hopeless.
Yes.
Hopeless.
Yes, they always say the green stands for the hope, stands for the peace, and stands for the life.
Yeah.
And yes, it has good meanings, but I don't think it's a suitable color for me.
Yeah. Which one do you like best? Pink?
No, pink color is for girls, not for me.
Yeah.
And I think I would like to see it's black color.
Black?
Yes, I think.
Why?
Black color is always right.
Yeah, I think white is always right too.
Yes, yes, you're right. Black color and white color, these two color is always right.
Oh, okay.
So, so here and we have some different surfaces here, and like this one. This one is hairline surfaces, just like we mentioned before, and the surface is just like the hairline one by one. And as you can see here, we have some special surface here, just like the messy lines. Messy lines. They just cross each other and it looks very messy, but maybe it has some sense of the art if you take a look for a while. I think it's also good for the decoration if you want to decorate your buildings, if you want to decorate the halls of your buildings. And I think this color looks more, how do I say it?
Which one?
This one.
Oh, 高大上. Yeah, Chinese is 高大上.
Yes, 高大上. but I don't know how to describe the 高大上 in English. Maybe splendid or wonderful. I think splendid or wonderful. Yes. Tasty. Or I don't remember.
Special.
Yes,
Yeah.
special. Okay, special.
Okay. So many colors.
Yes, it has so many colors, and
we can customize.
Yes. If you like any one of the surface or the color in our sample books, you can just contact our customer service, and they will help you, and we can customize the surface and the color in this book. Any color and any surface you want.
Yeah, with any size and
yeah.
Different color, different price.
Yes, you can even send the picture you want to. You can send the picture to us, and we will customize according to your picture. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't look at this one. It has green.
Yeah. Okay. If you are interested in our steel product, please contact with us, and our customer service will give you the price and our production specific introduce.
Yes, and thanks for likes, and if you want to get our product catalog, you can click the catalog button on the bottom of the screen, and you will get the catalog of our company. It has the products of our company and some information of our company. And not only we have the stainless steel products, but also we have other products such as carbon steels, steel sections, and steel coils. If you have any inquiries of the steel products, just let us know and send it to us. We will help you with our experiences. And thanks for your question. So if you would like to get a sample of our products, of our stainless steel, and you can send the inquiry. And our services will contact you and send you the information of how to get our samples.
Yeah.
Yes, you can just send an inquiry. Yes, send an inquiry to our service. It's online now.
Yeah. If you need steel products such as steel coils and plant and toolbar, beam and channel with various materials as carbon steel, galvanized steel, and stainless steel, and aluminum and copper. You can contact with us. Yeah, we are looking forward to your inquiry.
Yes. We are professional steel supplier and just send it to us. We will solve it for you.
Yeah. The next one is relax time.
Okay.
Yeah, Johnson.
Just take the
Johnson.
No.
No?
No.
Do you like so? Okay. The next time is music time. For relax about 3 or 5 minutes. It's okay, my friend.
有没有放到我？
是放一首，你想想你唱啥？
我来唱的。
你先唱。
我说我来唱。
那对呀，要不然怎么那个啥呀？哒哒哒哒。
我放一个，你唱一个。
不行，我唱不行。
你唱不行，
我唱不行。
我觉得你唱不行。
怎么找不着歌？ It's music time and you can contact with us. Enjoy your life.
Yes. Maybe life is hard, but we definitely need to enjoy it.
Yeah. To enjoy your life and enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the blue sky, and happy every day, every time.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
你怎么看才行？我怎么都不会。
就是那个直播间那个，就直播间这
看面具姐，必须。
日光石。
属于木炭的，你选的看你是不是还行？是不是今天直播的多啊？不好听啊。哇塞！
你可以直播，你看刚才16条你一个直播了。我刚才16条你一个直播了。
那为什么才直播？我去，天凉了。
thank you message. If you are interested into how to get a sample of our products, and you can send the inquiry, and our services will help you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, friends, we are come back. Yeah.
Yes. Now.
Hello guys, do you interested in our life? In our product?
I think they must be very interested in our products, and we can see many likes in our live streaming. Okay, if you would like to know the delivery time and you can send the inquiry to our customer services, and he will check the delivery time and the shipping freight for you. And also we can offer you some suitable shipment term for you, such as bulk shipment or containers or LCL according to your requirement. Okay, now back to our topic. Let's see the difference between the hot rolled stainless steel and cold rolled stainless steel. The cold rolled stainless steel sheet has more accurate dimensional tolerance than the hot rolled, unless taking subsequent paneling or descaling treatment. Hot rolled stainless steel sheet comes with a rough gray finish, while cold rolled has a shining whitish surface finish. From an economic view, cold rolled stainless steel are more expensive than hot rolled ones. Hot rolled has better ductility and mobility. Yes, hot rolled has better ductility, while cold rolled is harder and has more strength.
Okay. Let me introduce stainless steel pipes. Yeah. Stainless steel pipe is primarily used in piping systems for the transport of fluids and gases. We manufacture steel pipe from a steel alloy containing nickels as well as chromium, which gives stainless steel its corrosion-resistant properties. Stainless steel pipe resistance oxidation make it a low-maintenance solution that is suitable for high temperature and chemical application. Because it is easily cleaned and sanitized, stainless steel pipe is also desired for applications involving food, battery reading, and pharmaceutical applications. Stainless steel pipe is commonly manufactured using a wide process or extraction. The wetting process includes shipping steel into a pipe ship and then wire the stems together to hold the ship. Extraction creates a seamless product and involves heating a steel rod and then pressing it through the metal or to create a pipe. The term pipe and tube are often used to describe the same product, but it is more important to know the difference. So, although they share the same cylindrical shape, steel pipes are measured by the interior diameter (ID), whereas steel tubers are measured by the outside diameter (OD) and wall thickness. Another difference is the pipes are used to transport fluid and gases, while tubes are used to build parties or structure components. Yeah, we can show the tubes and the pipe to our friends.
Yes, of course.
This one?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a steel pipe. 这是管。Yeah. Okay, let my partner Johnson to introduce what's the difference between 304 and 316. Yeah.
Okay, before we start, we can take a look about the dimension of the pipe. Okay.
Yeah.
For example, like this one. This one. We can measure the dimension for our friends.
Yeah.
To see the length or the diameter. Will you please hold the pipe for me, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now first let's measure the length of the pipe. Can you see the length of the pipe?
Yeah, 20.
Yes, it's 20.
20 millimeter.
It's
Huh?
20. It's 200 millimeter.
Yeah, 200. My math is not good.
So do I.
Yeah.
And the length of this pipe is 200 millimeter. And now let's take a look about the
thickness.
Yes, of course, thickness.
Hmm?
And we have a little equipment to measure the thickness. Okay, now let's take a look. What's the thickness of the pipe?
Yeah, 2 millimeter.
Yes, of course, it's 2 millimeter.
It's a common size. Huh?
Sorry?
Euro 2 millimeter and 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter. Yeah.
Yeah, yes. And also we can take a look about the diameter.
Diameter.
Okay, now can you see the diameter?
Diameter is 18 millimeter.
Yes, it's just like, yes, it's 18 millimeter.
Yeah.
So the dimension of this pipe is very generally dimension, and of course if you have any other special dimension requirements, and you can also tell us and we can customize for you.
Yeah. Today I have a friend to ask for me to this pipe for simple to him.
Okay.
He comes from Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is huge.
Yes, this one is huge.
Yeah.
And do you want to measure it?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Now.
It's too long.
Yes.
Oh my.
Now
gosh.
this time.
Heavy and long.
This time is for your turn. I will hold it and you measure it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes. Just. So the length is about 100 and. No, sorry.
Yeah, 908 millimeter.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
My math is also not good. And this length of the pipe is 107.5.
Yeah.
Is that right? Is that right?
Yeah, it's right.
107.5. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And we for the diameter.
Yes. Okay. Yeah.
Oh no. Diameter is that?
No.
Diameter or thickness?
Yes.
Thickness. Can you see it? Oh my gosh.
Yes. This thickness is thinner than that one, and the thickness is 1.6 millimeter. It's thinner. This pipe is thinner than this pipe in the wall thickness.
Yeah. It's 1.8 millimeter. Yeah.
Yes.
And the diameter.
Shipping cost. Okay. The shipping cost depends on which country are you from, and
The quality. Quantity.
quantity.
Yeah.
Yes,
The price is
yes,
about quantity.
The shipping cost depends on the country you're from and the quantity you need. And if you are interested in the shipping cost, our customer services will check the cost for you. And you can contact with our customer services, and he will help you with this question.
Yeah. Give you a specific price and the size. Yeah, and our catalog.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let's continue to introduce our products.
Yes. Anna.
Hello.
Turn down the air conditioner.
Okay. Turn off. Okay. Turn off.
Turn off or turn
down. Turn down.
Off.
Whatever. Turn off or turn off.
Make the temperature high.
Yes.
It's right.
Just make the temperature higher.
You want the temperature down, right?
Higher, not down.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's move on. Let's take a look about the difference between the 304 stainless steel and the 316 stainless steel. The 300 series grade stainless steel is a chromium nickel alloy that is manufactured into a range of products including stainless steel tubes and steel pipes. Both 304 and 316 steel pipe is durable enough to maintain its strength at high temperatures, resist corrosion, and is easy to maintain. The choice between the material is highly dependent upon how you will use the pipe and the environment in which the pipe will be installed. So the type 304 stainless steel is perhaps the most common type used because it is corrosion resistant and easy to sanitize. This type of steel is often used for food and beverage applications or in buildings applications, which means it's very suitable for the food and drinks applications and buildings and their house decorations. And the type 316. The type 316 stainless steel is also corrosion resistant and easy to clean, but is more resistant to corrosion resulting from chemicals and solvents. Because of this, 316 stainless steel is preferred for the industrial and surgical applications, or outdoor or marine applications due to its resistance to the chloride corrosion. So that's some general information between the that's the general information of the difference between the 304 stainless steel and the 316 stainless steel. Hope you will get a little understand about the difference between these two kind of grade. And if you have any other question, just tell us and let us know. We will help you with our experience.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here.
We are confident with our products and our company. We have decades years for exporting experience. So please, if you are interested in our products, please let me know. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now let my partner Alina to introduce alternative accounting methods.
Yeah. Alternative accounting method selects stainless steel plate to consider the use of operating conditions such as manual and or automatic operation, hot press, performance and time. Quality requirements for preset materials such as harness, glass, Act also considers the economic accounting. Each new polishing steel plant requirements can be produced. A slow quality of the number of decorative board. In addition, when choosing the most reasonable thickness of steel plate, it should consider its survival time, quality, setness, and the plant strength requirements under compression. Semiconductivity is the distribution of pressure, the size of the plating. If the steel plate thickness is not enough easy to bend, will affect the production of directive plant. If it's too thick, if it's too heavy, not only increase the cost of steel plate, but also the operation of unnecessary difficulties. At the same time, stainless steel plate process will make the amount of allowance that should be left when used. The technique of copper plate is not absolutely consistent, but strive to be as consistent as possible in the thickness of steel plate. Generally, a through board of medium specification thickness tolerates 0.05 to 0.15 mm. If the requirements are too strict, grading cost will increase crowding. One general decision resistance harness of large structure steel plant mechanical damage. Resistance is greater, the use of long durability, but the bleaching processing phase is also higher. Yeah.
Yes. Thanks for my partner's excellent introduction. And if you are interested in our live streaming, and please to click the following button, and we will see you next time. And we would like to bring you more products of our company, and you will never regret for this.
Yes, we keep huge amount of stock of standard size of bore scoop steel products, except special steel products request with last processing from high-level steel mills, and offer full cost reference including shipping foreigner to port to or to door. Yeah.
Yes, we can offer kinds of shipment terms, and also we will help you to more suitable shipment terms for you. Like if you we will offer more suitable plans if you want to ship our steel products to your factory or to your warehouse.
We can supply printed steel products fabrication such as slitting, cutting, bending, painting, perforating, and winding out. Yeah, we can custom them.
Yes.
Okay, there are someone interested in our product or interested in our living studio.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for your greeting and welcome to our live streaming. Good evening. Good evening, my friend. Good evening. Yes. Of course, good evening. Yes.
Yeah. There is evening in China.
Yes. I was wondering what time in your country?
You can write on the screen. We can communicate with you.
Yes. 不会是你来的。
不是你啊
Same as you. Okay.
No. Not me.
So it's night in your country now. Are you in China or other country?
Can I get someone asked can I get simple? Yes, we can supply simple for you as your customer size and country to your country.
Yes. If you are interested in getting the samples, and you can send an inquiry to our customer services, and he will contact with you, and he will help you with the details about how to get the sample and the delivery charge and okay, thank you. Okay, of course. You're welcome. My pleasure. And okay.
Have a rest for 2 minutes.
I want to listen a song by Jonathan.
Okay. Everyone know my partner, the handsome boy Johnson, sing is wonderful and silent.
No.
Yeah.
So
No.
if you want to listen to music, please. Dun, 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 dun.
His
Okay,
voice
ladies and
is
gentlemen,
so
welcome my
wonderful.
partner Anna to have a little dance now here. Now, please let
Come
my
on.
来一个
Jonathan's voice is so wonderful.
Yeah.
welcome our partner Anna to have a little dance here.
The dance.
Action. 放歌，你唱一唱。
啊？
放歌，你唱一唱。
我唱什么？
你上次的歌
对你上次唱的很好听。
再唱一遍。
可以。
你可以换一个。
我可以换一个。
嗯。
我能唱中文吗？别
看
再唱什么歌在给我封那个直播间吧。
你给我唱英文的。
英文还有什么唱？
啥啥都行。
你感觉我
嗯，
唱一首。
我不挑。
想一想，放一放。
想一想。
可以。
Which song do you want to listen? You can write on the screen, and my partner will sing for you.
I will try to sing for you if I can. But if I can not,
You can.
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you can.
I cannot sing every song.
If you can make an order,
I will add.
he can sing for you for week. For
I
week.
will add the water in your cup.
Thank you so
And
much.
then you can
Thank you so much.
sauce.
Maybe I can.
Sauce. Okay, thank you.
Maybe I can pour the water for myself.应该倒是不少，没有一个会唱。Just maybe just sing a little song, I think.
Thank you.
还要放吗？还是直接唱
Music time.
伴
来了它。
就像上次一样，放个伴奏，然后你开始唱。
Come on, partner.
Okay. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You will make you go out and get her. The minute you let her under your skin, then you begin to make it better. And anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world upon your shoulders. I know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making this world a little colder. Na 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 na. Don't let me down. You have found her, now go and get her. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Hey Jude. Na 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 na.
Basically,
Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Na na na. Hey Jude.
我终于读完，咱俩刷差了。你跟安娜都没读完稿，咱俩刷差不多。
对，因为
上次跟你都没读完稿子，你俩就有互动，我俩刷去了。
因为我俩经常在说一些闲篇儿。
你俩挺互动。Talk about everything.
Talk about everything.
Yeah.
Talk about everything. Just think.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh.
Yeah, everything is okay.
Yes.
If you are interested in my partner, you can write
What
down.
What a nice question. What?
Yeah.
What? No, please just forget about this question, please.
Yeah. What do you like to do?
What do I like to do?
Sleep?
Maybe. Sometimes when I work so tired, I would like to sleep for a long while to relax myself. And I think sleeping is a very relaxing thing. And it makes me very comfortable.
Do you like play games?
I often played games in the past, but recently I hardly play a game. No.
In the past, you are a child, and now you are a boy.
Yes, I'm.
A man.
Anyway, anyway, any boys like games, just like because I should say any children like games.
But you don't have children.
Yes. Now I'm not a children. I was a child, and I liked the game, and now. I don't think it's very interesting for me.
Sleep is interesting for me. Interesting for me. For you.
No, sleeping is relaxing for me, but it's not interesting for me. If you want me to see something I would like to do, I like to see movies.
Movie?
Yes.
For example?
For example, The Pirate of Caribbean. 加勒比海。
什么？
加勒比海盗。
什么？
加勒比海盗。
哦。我以为是疯狂动物城。
This is my favorite movie, The Pirate of Caribbean. And do you like movie?
Yeah, I like. When the happiness. When the happiness is coming.
Okay, I heard of this movie, but I haven't seen it. I haven't seen this movie.
It's very wonderful. I suggest that you can saw it.
Okay, I will watch this movie.
这个杀手不太冷。这个杀手不太冷。
Kill Bill.
是你刚才
哦，不是。
It's not cool.
Chinese English.
Yes. No, it's Chinglish.
Chinglish. Oh. Killer.
No. I misunderstand.
There is a question. Please help us.
Which one?
I
Are you
want to
a
get
factory?
Okay, we are a factory. We are a factory, and we are a professional manufacturer of steel products, and we can provide kinds of steel products such as stainless steel, steel sections, steel coils, steel planes, and so on. And we can also provide lots of process like cutting, bending, and any other process. And if you have any inquiries, just let us know. Okay?
Yes.
And the second question, how to get the simple
How to
and
get simple, okay.
simple fee.
Okay. If you would like to get a simple, you can contact with our customer services, and he will help you with the information you want to get, such as the shipping cost of the samples and the sample fees, and if you maybe we can provide you the free samples if you yes, if it's suitable for you or for us. Yes.
Yeah. 你好吗 on the screen. 你好吗 Can you speak English or Chinese?
Can you let me
你好吗
Okay, thanks for greeting. 你好吗
Yeah.
Your
Someone
Chinese
asked.
is very good. Yes, your Chinese is very good.
Someone want to get our product catalog. Yeah, you can contact with our customer service, and we will give you the product catalog and give you the specific price. Yeah.
Yes, it's definitely.
If you have any questions, can ask us. Be relaxed.
And if you like our live streaming, you can click the following button. Yes.
And there is a question, do you selling roofing sheet?
Yes, of course. We can supply.
Yes. Roofing sheet is a very basic steel products, and of course we can offer the roofing sheet and any colors you like. And we have a real color sheets. You can contact with our customer service to get the real color sheet, and you can choose the color you want of your color coded sheets or your roofing sheets. And I think there is always a color you would like.
Thank you for bonus 100 likes. Yeah, amazing live stream.
How to place order.
How to place order? Okay. Some of our friends would like to know how to place the order. Yes, it's very easy. You can just send the inquiry to our customer services, or you can contact with him directly, and he will instruct you to place the order, and he will give you the specific information you need, and to place the order. Yes.
Welcome to our live stream. And if you are interested in our product, you can ask questions on the screen, or contact with us. And I'm looking forward to your inquiry. We can supply all series of stainless steel products.
Yes, any grade, any series of
Any
stainless
color,
steel.
any size.
Yes. any products you can find in the market, we can provide. And also we can provide good quality and favorable price.
Yeah. Also, we have decades experience for export. Is there some new friends here? Bunny, Mickey, Anna Song. I guess Anna Song is a beautiful girl. She gives us many likes.
Who killed me? Who is it kill me?
看到他们全美的。
感觉 B 开头的 N 结尾的可能就是 E 结尾的可能就是 Bunny. I want to get your product in catalog. Are you factory amazing? Have you talk about something? Everything is okay.
Yes. Maybe you can concern about what?
About your experience in UK.
Oh,
It's wonderful.
I almost forgot.
Oh, why?
My experiences in UK and when I went to UK first time, I think it's a very different and strange environment and surrounding to me. And at first time, I cannot get used to the environment because the surrounding in UK is definitely different
Yeah.
with China, you
Yeah.
know.
No.
It's,
Yes.
so it's kind of difficult for me to get used to the lifestyle and
I want to interrupt you. There is a question. Just a customer asked you, do you selling roofing sheet, right? And then he asked a second question. May I know the price of 1 ton?
Okay, thanks for your question. If you would like to know the price of the color, of the roofing sheet, you can contact with our customer services because the price is not stable recently. I can give you a range. I can give you a range. Yes. I can give you a range according to your dimension. Could you please tell me the dimension you need? And once I got the thickness and length and width you need, I can give you a price range for you. And if you would like accurate price or quotation, you can contact with our customer service, and he will give you a more accurate quotation for you. Thanks for your question, and thanks for you are interested in our products. Thank you.
Or could you please introduce like a roofing sheet? A little. A little.
A little.
A little is right.
Okay, a little is right. Okay. Maybe some of our friends is interested in the roofing sheet. The roofing sheet is made of the color-coded sheets, as we all know, and the color-coded sheets. The color-coded. Okay. The process of the color-coded sheets is very simple, I think. For example, this is the color-coded sheets, and this is the normal steel plate.
Yeah,
This is a normal steel plate, for example.
Yeah.
And how do we make a color-coded sheet? First, we make the steel plate galvanized.
Yeah.
We make the steel plate galvanized, and this layer is galvanized. Okay. And thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. My pleasure.
And we galvanized this steel plate, and then we put the painting. We put the painting on the surface. And the painting would be the color you would like to choose, such as red or
white,
yes,
yellow,
yes,
purple,
yes,
and so on.
yes.
Which one do you like?
Yes,
You
any
can.
color you would like. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's what I mean. It's a very easy process to make a color-coded sheet.
Yeah.
And it's just like make a cake. And this is the bread. This is the bread, and the bread is like the steel plate, right? And we put the cream on the bread, which is galvanized.
Yeah.
And then we put some fruit on the top.
Oh.
And this is the color painting on the surface.
PPGI.
Yes, it's a very similar process between making a color-coded sheet and making a cake, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it's very similar.
Mm.
And this is the and this is how to make a color-coded sheet. And about the roofing sheet, we bend the color-coded sheets, just like for example, this is the color-coded sheet, and we bend the color-coded sheets into the shape of the roofing sheet, just like a wave, you know.
Yeah.
Just like a wave.
Oh.
I will simply just bend it.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yeah.
this is now this is roofing sheet after bending. Oh, this is the color-coded sheet after bending, which makes it a roofing sheet, and the shape looks like the wave in the ocean.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a very easy. It's a very simple process to make a color-coded sheet and a roofing sheet. And of course, because we are a professional steel supplier and we can provide any dimensional color-coded sheets or roofing sheets you like, and of course, not only any color you want, but also the dimension you want, and just send it to us, and we will help you, and we will customize for you according to your requirements.
Yeah, we're confident with our products. and our company can give you the best price and good quality.
Yes, we are very, very confident for our to our products. Yes,
Yeah, because we are professor.
yes, we are professor in the steel products.
We are professor in the salesman also.
Yeah.
If you have any question, can contact with us.
How to get a catalog?
Yeah,
Just click.
you can contact with our customer service, and we'll give you the product catalog and give you the price for your size.
Yes. Also, you can find a get a catalog button on the bottom of the screen, and click that button. You will get our catalog, and it has specific information in the catalog.
Now it's rest time
Oh, rest time again.
and
I know. It's the rest.
I'm replay the friend's question. Hi, this is.
and Johnson, you can find a song. Play it.
Okay. Play. I can find a song and let's hear a song.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy a song. Let's find a smooth song, I think. A gentle and smooth song.
The most popular English song.
Oh. What kind of English song is the most popular?
活跃嘛是吧
Activity.
活跃，你说活跃 active
active
active，你不会想用动词吧？
就是节奏快是吧？
节奏快。
节奏是
Rhyme is fast.
什么
Rhyme is fast.
rhyme is fast
Fast，哎呦，厉害，fast。
fast final fast
Fast and faster.
Fast。
就你那天唱的就行。
放那个。
我觉得那个就挺快的，挺欢快。
可以，放那个。Okay, now let's enjoy a little song.
Wow.
Well, I come from Alabama, my banjo on my knee, and I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for a sea. Well, it rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry, the sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, oh, don't you cry for me. For I come from Alabama with my banjo
好
on
欢
my
乐。
knee.
就是跟那个月经疼那个一样的。
I had
那
a
个月经
dream
疼那
the
个。
other
哦，我说的这么耳熟。
I thought I
Actually,
saw
this one
Susanna
is Johnson's best, the favorite, right?
That's kind of.
来
Kind of like this one.
我说怎么这么耳熟，但我没反应过来，它是英文版的那首歌。啦啦啦啦啦。
song?
Yes.
I like it so much.
It seems like everyone likes this song.
Song make me happy.
Yes, it's a very happy and active song. 我记得好像有个4，有个9。
手机靠在哪上的是，把别人都熬睡了。
不，好像根本就没有播呀。
哦。
咱跟他前面一个没有，咱在16的时候前面一个也没有。后边
那边再读20分钟。
Measure the length and width and introduce the surface.
Okay. Hello, hi everyone. This is Lina from China. This is my partner Johnson.
Hello everyone. This is Jonathan, and we are glad to meet you here.
怎么样？
I am smiling.
Yeah.
所以说，我念念，我会听念念。
OK， 你念吧。
Okay, welcome to our live streaming and welcome to our welcome to our live streaming and this is Jonathan and this is my partner Elena and so first please allow me to introduce our company. And our company is a professional steel supplier, and we supply various steel products such as steel sections, steel coils, and stainless steel products. We can provide customized services, competitive price, and good quality, and purchase advice. We sincerely invite our customer to visit our company and factory. Now first I would like to show you some general information about the products we are going to show you today, which is stainless steel. Yes, and now let's begin with stainless steel, some basic features. Okay, so stainless steel is widely used because of its corrosion and heat resistance. It has high temperature oxidation resistance and is polishing, weldable and foldable. That makes it a desirable material in many industries such as food industries, agricultural decoration, home applications, and car industries, and so on. And about material, according to the composition, it can be divided into 5 series, which is chromium series, and chromium nickel series, chromium manganese nickel series, heat resistant chromium alloy steel, and precipitation hardening system. And in this series there are some common grades that you can easily find in our life or in the market. The first one is the 201 grade. 201 stainless steel. It shows poor corrosion resistance, and but it's widely used as a cheap substitute for the 300 series in China, with the characteristics of polishing, and it has no bubble and no pinholes. It is high quality material for the production of various watch cases and strap bottom covers. And the next one is the 304. 304 is most commonly used, and the products such as corrosion resistant containers and medical equipment, tableware, furniture, and railings This product is commonly used. It commonly used the 304 stainless steel, and the standard composition is 18% chromium and 8% plus 8% nickel. Yes. And after 304, it's the 316 stainless steel. It is the second. It is second most widely used steel type, which is mainly used in food industries and surgical industries. Adding some special element to make it have a special structure resistant to corrosion. And because it has better resistant chloride than 304, it also used as marine steel, which means it shows much better features than the 304 in the ocean, in the sea. And the 400 series is ferritic and martinistic stainless steel. It has no magnets, and it also can replace 304 stainless steel to a certain extent. If your budget is not enough, I think 400 series stainless steel is a better choice for you to replace the 304.
Yeah.
Yes. And the last one is 430. Yes, the 430. It is also a ferritic stainless steel, and it's also good for the decoration like cars. It has good moldability, but it doesn't show much temperature resistance and corrosion resistance.
Yeah.
So these are the common grade in the stainless steel, and these are some general information for the common grade stainless steels, and hope you have some understand of these features. And now please let my partner Alina to introduce some surface about the stainless steel.
Okay, it's my pleasure. There are four kinds of surface treatment, and the first one is to be a matte surface. It's a matte finish of the stainless steel cold roller surface. After cold rolling, it is heat treated, packed, and finished by rolling to make the surface materially bright. Commonly used for tableware, building materials act with surface treatments that improve mechanical properties. They are suitable for almost all applications. And the next one is BA bright surface, a product obtained by cooling and bright annealing followed by flatting. Excellent surface gloss and high reflectivity, like the surface of mirror for home appliances, mirrors, kitchen equipment, and decorative materials act. The third one is 8K, even brighter surface like a mirror. And the last one is HL, coloring, padding, leveling, grading is in SS surface drawing, straight drawing mat, mainly used for architectural direction, elevators, building doors, and so on. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think we can show some samples about these services to our friends.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, now first let's take a look about the 2B surface. Okay.
2B surface is it?
2B, no.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, although it looks not large, but I think it is heavy.
Yeah. I think so.
Yes. And as you can see, this is the 2B surface of the this is a 2B surface of the stainless steel 304, and as you can see, it's not bright, and it hardly showed the reflectivity. Yes, I cannot see anything
Yeah.
reflect on the surface. This is 2B surface, and we can compare the two. We can compare the two surface.
BA.
Yes, we can compare the surface with the BA surface. Yes, and that one is a BA surface, and ob is obviously,
Bright
yes, it's obviously bright.
and smooth and beautiful and excellent.
Yes, as you can see, it's just like the mirror. You can see your face on the surface.
Yeah.
Yes, just now I can see my face on the surface very clearly. And the next one is the 8K surface.
This is a key surface.
Yes, that one is even more brighter than the B surface,
Yeah.
and it shows more. It shows better reflectivity than the BA surface, and it's much more brighter and smooth than the B surface. I think it's very. I think it's very excellent choice for you to decorate the building and the house.
And it's also used in surgical room. Equipment surgeon.
Oh,
Sure.
oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
So bright.
yeah, yes.
Yeah.
So this price would be expensive than the BA service.
Yeah.
Yes, 8K service is more expensive than the BA service, and the 2B service is the most cheap. The BA service, the 2B service is the cheapest one in these services.
Yeah.
Yes, and also we can take a look at the HL surface, which is the hairline surface. HL surface, which is hairline surface. Yes, yes, this one. And this one is a hairline surface, and this one is hairline surface. As you can see, the pattern on the surface is just like lots of hairline, just one by one.
Yeah.
And I think this surface makes me feel like it's made of wood.
Oh, yes, of course.
Yes.
Its color is so
Yes.
cute.
Yes, I think it's very similar with wood. Yes, and it's very beautiful, and but it doesn't show much reflectivity.
Mm.
Yes, I cannot see anything reflect on the surface, and but it's definitely a good choice to decoration on the wall. You can see the pattern and the color just like the wood. I think if you used this one to decorate the wall, I think it will be a very good choice.
And there are many colors in here, and you can choose.
Yes, we have lots of samples in these sample books, and as you can see, we have gold and black and silver and mirror and hairline and even cross hairline. Yes, there are lots of colors and there are lots of colors and surfaces. And yes, here is another surface which is the blast. The blast is I think is a very unique surface. It's the surface looks not not smooth, but it will give you a sense of the. Just let me take a look about this one.
Oh.
This this surface is the blast surface. It looks not smooth, but if you touch if you touch the surface and feel it, and it will give you a sense of what? Sense of I don't know.
Feeling.
Sense of something.
质感
I feel something on it.
Something like what?
I don't know how to describe this thing, but I feel something. It has something. It definitely has something.
You can feel it and you don't know
I
how
want to
to
touch.
yeah, how to see it.
说法是
是喷砂的。
磨砂，喷砂磨砂的感觉吗？什么感觉？
其实它也不是磨砂，它就是喷砂。它是磨没了吗？
接着下，introduce the next one.
你觉得磨没了似的。Okay, anyway, if you would like any pattern or any colors, you can just contact us, and we will help you to get samples or get our products.
Yes.
Yes.
If you are interested in our products, please let me know. Is there some new friends in our live streaming?
Yes, I can see their likes in our live streaming, and thanks for your likes. And thanks for your support. If you like our live streaming, just click the following button.
If you have any questions, you can contact with our product service. Yeah, someone says that she want to get our product catalog. Yeah, we can supply our product catalog to you, and you can contact with us. Also, we can supply sample for you.
Yes, we can supply samples if you are interested in.
Okay, thank you for coming to our live channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys here.
Only 1 minute. 不是谢场吗？
谢好了。
If you like Hello guys, if you like me and my partner, you can follow us, and next time we live you will see us first.
Okay, thanks for your support today, and welcome to our live streaming. And thanks for your likes today, and if you like our live streaming, you can click the following button, and we will see you next time, and we will continue to bring you some more products of our company.
Yes.
Yes, and lots of good products about our company. And if you are interested in our products, and just let us know, and our customer service will help you.
Yeah. If you have any questions, and please feel visit us at website, and be free to contact us anytime. Thanks a lot.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye bye. Bye bye, friends, guys. Bye bye. 中央电视台结束今晚直播。开营多少呀？我怎么点了一直也没看出来我们的排名。
因为你在微信上看。
那你在哪里看？
我在阿里巴巴上看。
我怎么在阿里巴巴上看？点开这个。
你下那个啥了吗？
什么？
这个。
啊，我每次都是在群里通过你们的链接来看。
看到了，这有一个。
橘色的。
对。
这个。
嗯。
我现在看已经满了是吧？
是的。